Wintersweet, Chimonanthus praecox, is a captivating flowering shrub that brings beauty and fragrance to the winter garden. Known for its delicate blossoms that release a sweet scent, Wintersweet is a popular choice for those seeking a plant that thrives during the colder months. If you're interested in growing and caring for Wintersweet, this comprehensive video will provide you with the necessary guidance to cultivate and enjoy this charming winter gem. Planting Wintersweet. The ideal time to plant Wintersweet is in early spring or fall, allowing the shrub to establish its roots before winter. Dig a hole that is wide and deep enough to accommodate the root ball. Place the shrub in the hole, ensuring it is at the same depth as it was in the container or nursery. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. Watering and moisture. During the first year of growth, water Wintersweet regularly to help establish a strong root system. Provide deep waterings, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. Once established, Wintersweet is relatively drought-tolerant but will benefit from occasional watering during prolonged dry periods. Mulching and soil care. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as compost or bark chips, around the base of the shrub to conserve moisture, suppress weed growth, and maintain a stable soil temperature. Avoid piling mulch against the trunk, as it can cause rot. Additionally, annually incorporate organic matter into the soil to improve its fertility and drainage. Pruning and training. Wintersweet generally requires minimal pruning, but light pruning can help maintain its shape and promote optimal blooming. Prune after flowering to remove any dead or damaged branches and to shape the shrub as desired. Avoid excessive pruning, as Wintersweet blooms on old wood. Fertilization. Wintersweet is not a heavy feeder, but a light application of balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring can enhance its growth and blooming performance. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for application rates. Additionally, incorporating well-composted organic matter into the soil annually provides natural nutrients. Winter care. One of the remarkable aspects of Wintersweet is its ability to bloom during winter. Protect the shrub from harsh winter winds by siting it in a sheltered location, or consider providing a windbreak. In colder climates, mulching around the base of the plant can help insulate the roots and protect them from freezing temperatures. Enjoying the fragrance. One of the most enticing qualities of Wintersweet is its captivating fragrance. Plant Wintersweet near pathways, entrances, or outdoor seating areas to fully appreciate its delightful scent during the winter months. Cut branches can also be brought indoors to fill your home with its sweet aroma.